AI isn't just changing art and video, it's taking over music. Today, I'll show you 5 powerful AI tools that can create songs, beats, and even full albums. Let's dive in. Tool 1. Suno AI. AI that creates full songs with vocals. Suno AI is a game changer. It can generate full songs, lyrics, instrumentals, and even vocals that sound real. Tool 2. Boomy AI. AI that makes beats in seconds. Boomy AI lets you create professional beats instantly. Just choose a style, and AI generates a full track for you. Tool 3. SoundRaw. AI-generated royalty-free music. Need music for content? SoundRaw AI lets you generate unique, royalty-free tracks for YouTube, TikTok, and more. Tool 4. Riffusion. AI that generates music from text. Want AI to create music from just a few words? Riffusion turns text into beats, making it easy to generate music ideas. Tool 5. AIVA AI. AI composer for different music styles. AIVA AI can compose classical, jazz, electronic, and even cinematic music. It's like having an AI Beethoven. AI is making hit songs, beats, and full albums. Are we entering a new music era? Let me know in the comments.